Everyone, this is Tanvi back with another Linux desktop customization video, and in this video I will show you how to make your Fedora desktop look like this using Hyprland. So without wasting any more time, let's just quickly show you how to get the setup. So the first thing that you'll have to do is get the project file. You can find the link of the project file down in the description of this video. Extract it and go inside the project file and click on download links, and there will be a few links for the themes. So just copy and paste those links to your browser one by one, and then simply download the themes. Alright, so here click on files and then simply download the dark theme, and then download the light theme for cappuccino. Just click on download, and after that download this icon pack, and after that download this icon pack as well. And then download Graphbox, go to files, and then look for the medium borderless dark, which is this one. Click on it and simply click on download. And finally, this icon pack for Graphbox. Alright, so once you have downloaded this, you can close the browser and then go to downloads and simply extract all of these .tar files. Select all of them, right click and extract, and wait for it to finish extracting. And then you can simply delete the .tar files. And then go to your home directory, open in a new window, and click on show hidden files. And then simply right click on an empty space and click on new folder, and then type .icons and create a folder. And then right click on an empty space again, and this time name it .themes. And then go to .icons and simply drag and drop all of the icon pack that I've just downloaded. And after that, do the same for .themes. Simply drag and drop all of these themes inside the .themes. And after I have done all of this, simply go to your downloads directory, and inside the project file there is a script called everything.sh. Basically, I'm going to run the script. So right click on an empty space and open a terminal, and then type chmod +x everything.sh. This is going to make the script executable, and then type /everything.sh to run the script. Type my password, press enter, and it's gonna start installing all the packages. So wait for it to finish, and after that, once it finishes, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard and you can close the terminal, and then simply restart. Now at the login screen, select your username, then click on this gear icon at the right bottom corner, click on Hyprland, and then type your password and log in. And we are here in Hyprland now. As you can see, this is the wallpaper switcher, and I can switch between different themes. So let's quickly do a little customization on the file explorer to make it look more clean. All right, so finally let's go ahead and run the script called install fish.sh. So for that, go to my project file from the terminal, and over here just type /install fish.sh, and it's going to install the fish and OMF themes for us. And once this is done, you need to reboot. So simply reboot for it to take the effects. All right, so once I've rebooted, as you can see that this is our terminal. Now I can install OMF Bob the Fish. So type OMF install Bob the Fish, and this is actually a OMF theme for the fish shell. So yeah guys, this is it. This is how the OMF theme looks. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this customization, this setup, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate this. As I always say, I cannot thank you guys enough, and I will see you in the next video.